Chris Brown's courtroom outburst sparks massive scandal. Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a story that's taken the world by storm. Chris Brown, the controversial music superstar, has once again found himself in the spotlight for all the wrong reasons. In a shocking turn of events, Brown's recent courtroom appearance ended in chaos after he slapped a judge. Stick around as we break down the details of this explosive incident and its far-reaching implications. You won't want to miss this. In a shocking turn of events, Grammy-winning artist Chris Brown found himself at the center of a massive scandal after an explosive courtroom outburst. The incident unfolded during a highly publicized trial, where Brown faced charges related to a recent altercation. What started as a routine hearing quickly descended into chaos when the judge delivered a verdict that left Brown visibly enraged. The courtroom was packed with media, fans, and legal professionals, all eagerly awaiting the judge's decision. As the verdict was read, Brown's demeanor shifted dramatically. According to witnesses, the artist, known for his turbulent past, sprang from his seat and approached the bench with a menacing expression. Without warning, Brown allegedly slapped the judge, causing gasps and screams to erupt from those in attendance. Security personnel rushed to restrain the singer, but not before the courtroom descended into pandemonium. Cameras captured the moment, and within minutes, the incident went viral on social media, sparking a wave of outrage and disbelief. Legal experts quickly weighed in on the unprecedented outburst. "This is an extraordinary breach of courtroom decorum," said legal analyst Sarah Martinez. "Not only does it undermine the judicial process, but it also raises serious questions about Mr. Brown's mental state and his respect for the law." The repercussions of Brown's actions were immediate and severe. He was taken into custody on charges of contempt of court and assault, adding to his already lengthy legal troubles. The judge, whose identity has been withheld for security reasons, was reportedly unharmed but shaken by the encounter. Public reaction to the incident has been swift and polarizing. While some fans continue to defend Brown, arguing that the verdict was unjust and provoked his reaction, the majority have condemned his behavior as inexcusable. Prominent figures in the music industry have also spoken out, expressing disappointment and concern over the incident. "This is not the Chris I know," said an anonymous industry insider. "He has always been passionate and sometimes impulsive, but this goes beyond anything we've ever seen from him." Brown's legal team has yet to make a public statement, but sources close to the artist suggest that they are preparing a defense strategy focused on mitigating the fallout from the incident. Meanwhile, the court system faces the daunting task of ensuring that justice is served while maintaining the integrity of the judicial process. As the scandal continues to unfold, one thing is clear: Chris Brown's courtroom outburst has left an indelible mark on his career and the public's perception of him. Whether he can recover from this latest controversy remains to be seen, but for now, the world watches as one of music's most controversial figures navigates yet another legal and personal crisis. The legal repercussions of Chris Brown's actions are expected to be severe, with experts predicting additional charges and a potentially lengthy prison sentence. Brown's history of legal troubles, including his infamous 2009 assault conviction, is likely to be a factor in the severity of his punishment. Brown's legal team has indicated that they may pursue a defense strategy centered on mental health issues, citing the extreme stress and pressure the artist has been under. "Chris has been dealing with a lot lately," said a source close to the defense. "We're looking into the possibility that this incident was the result of a mental health crisis." The music industry has been abuzz with reactions to the scandal. Fellow artists, producers, and industry insiders have taken to social media and the press to share their thoughts. Some have expressed support for Brown, highlighting the importance of mental health awareness, while others have condemned his actions and called for accountability. "Violence is never the answer, no matter the circumstances," tweeted pop star and former collaborator Rihanna, who has had her own tumultuous history with Brown. "We must all strive for a peaceful resolution, especially in a court of law." In the midst of the controversy, Brown's fanbase remains fiercely loyal. Supporters have organized online campaigns and rallies, demanding justice for what they perceive as an unfair treatment of the star. However, their efforts are met with equal force by those calling for Brown to face the full consequences of his actions. The incident has also sparked a broader conversation about the pressures faced by celebrities and the often destructive ways they manifest. Mental health professionals have weighed in, stressing the importance of seeking help and support for those in the public eye. Chris Brown's case is a tragic reminder of what can happen when mental health issues are not addressed, said Dr. Lisa Chapman, a renowned psychologist. It's crucial for individuals in high-stress environments to have access to mental health resources and support systems. As the legal proceedings continue, Brown's future hangs in the balance. The outcome of this case could significantly impact his career, personal life, and legacy. For now, the world watches as the drama unfolds, waiting to see if the artist can find redemption and rebuild his life in the aftermath of this scandal. In the court of public opinion, Chris Brown's actions have cast a long shadow. Whether he can step out from under it and make amends remains an open question, one that only time will answer. The next steps in the legal process for Chris Brown involve a series of hearings and possible trials. His legal team is preparing to argue that his actions were the result of extreme emotional distress, seeking to reduce the severity of the charges. In the meantime, the artist remains in custody, with bail set at an astronomical amount due to the nature of the offense and his history of violent behavior. Public interest in the case is at an all-time high, with media outlets providing around-the-clock coverage. News channels, online platforms, and social media are flooded with updates, opinions, and debates. The spectacle has not only put Brown under intense scrutiny but also highlighted the broader issue of celebrity accountability. Within the music industry, the impact of Brown's actions is profound. Some collaborators have distanced themselves, concerned about the potential backlash from associating with the embattled star. Concerts and appearances have been cancelled, and there is speculation about the future of his record deals and endorsements. Despite this, a faction of fans and industry figures continue to rally behind Brown. They argue that while his actions were inexcusable, they stem from deep-seated issues that require compassion and understanding. This divide reflects a broader societal conversation about the balance between accountability and empathy, particularly when dealing with mental health crises. Brown's family has also stepped into the spotlight, urging the public to consider his humanity and the challenges he has faced. Chris is our son, our brother, and our friend. He's made mistakes, but he's also done a lot of good, said a family spokesperson. We hope that people can find it in their hearts to support him through this difficult time. Legal analysts predict a protracted legal battle, with potential plea deals and settlements on the horizon. The prosecution is likely to push for a significant sentence to serve as a deterrent, while the defense will aim to highlight Brown's mental health struggles and his efforts to seek help. In parallel, mental health advocates are using this incident as a platform to discuss the importance of mental health care, especially for those in high-pressure careers. They emphasize the need for accessible and non-stigmatizing support systems, arguing that better mental health resources could prevent similar incidents in the future. As Chris Brown's legal saga unfolds, it serves as a cautionary tale about the volatility of fame and the critical importance of mental health. Whether this scandal will lead to meaningful changes in how society addresses these issues remains to be seen. For now, the world watches closely, awaiting the next chapter in a story that has captivated and divided the public. And there you have it, folks. Chris Brown's courtroom outburst has sparked a massive scandal that has everyone talking. From the legal repercussions to the impact on his career and the broader conversation about mental health and celebrity accountability, this story is far from over. What do you think about Chris Brown's actions? Should he face severe consequences, or do you believe there's more to this story? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on this developing story and other trending topics. Hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we post new content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.